Lambda expression concept is much like anonymous methods, which is covered in the previous lecture. But lambda expressions offers more convenient syntax than anonymous method. In case of anonymous method, you should begin writing delegate keyword, right? But alternatively, in case of lambda expression, after the parameters list, you require to write arrow operator, which is also called as equal to and greater than. So whenever we are using delegate keyword at the left hand side of the parameters list, it is called as anonymous method. And if we are using the arrow operator after the parameters list, it is called as lambda expression. But the list of parameters and method body is the same in both lambda expressions and anonymous methods. Both anonymous methods and lambda expressions can have parameters and local variables and also can return the value, much like a regular method. The only benefit of lambda expression is that it is the convenient syntax writing arrow operator rather than writing the delegate keyword. Both anonymous methods and lambda expressions will not have any name, so its reference must be stored in the delegate or event and should be invoked either by using the same delegate or event. Even the benefit of lambda expression is also the same, that is, we can quickly subscribe to an event instead of writing the named method in a separate place within the same class or in another class. So let me use the lambda expression instead of using anonymous method in this case. So here I am writing arrow operator instead of writing delegate keyword. That's it. This turned as a lambda expression rather than anonymous method. So the syntax of writing anonymous method is that delegate, parameters list, and method body. But the syntax of writing lambda expression is that directly the parameters list and then arrow operator and then method body. The arrow operator contains equal to and greater than. There should be no space in between the greater than and equal to. And optionally, you can skip writing the data types for the parameters. You can simply try writing a, b. Because the data types of these parameters is already mentioned in the delegate type. And based on the same delegate, we have created the event. So while subscribing to this event, the data types of these parameters will be automatically implied, so you need not explicitly define them in the lambda expression. And in the lambda expression as well, we can have the parameters, local variables, and return value also if required. Suppose you wanted to return the value instead of printing the same. Then you can try writing return C, and then you require to define the return type in the delegate type itself, that is the return type as int. So the return type is int, so that we are able to return the value inside the lambda expression also. And then when you raise the event, you will get the return value. So while raising the event, you can receive the return value and return the same from the method called raisEvent. And the same return value can be printed by using the system.console.writeLine statement. So overall, you are getting the correct output as expected, that is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30, 5 plus 80 equal to 85, and 14 plus 22 equal to 36. In this way, we can create the lambda expression with or without return value. In case if you don't have any parameters, then you can simply write empty parentheses without any parameters. So overall, in the real-time applications, lambda expressions are the better and convenient syntax than using anonymous methods in order to subscribe to the events. And most of the other features are same as anonymous methods. That means anonymous method and lambda expression both cannot have any name. Lambda expressions must be referenced in a delegate or event and should be invoked through the same delegate or event. And other set of rules are same as anonymous methods. You can refer to the previous lecture to understand the rules of anonymous methods. Same rules are applicable for lambda expressions too. This is all about lambda expressions in C#.